Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with CDSL. So friends, one of our friend asked about can we enter in CDSL at present value. So my question is, friends, do you know the business of CDSL? Then only you can enter. So why I am telling like this means, so friends, this is the business which having like with respect to number of equity investors are there in Indian markets. So friends, first we are going to see its business. So CDSL. So come across the CDSL. So friends, CDSL, it's a central depository of equities. That means if you observe the company which works and stores the information of every investor. That means every brokerage has to keep their records with CDSL. So not everyone who registered with CDSL. So what happens means their work will somewhat decreases. Why? Because they will give some part of work for CDSL, and it's mandatory who registered with CDSL, they have to keep their records with the CDSL. So CDSL keeps our records, and when we buy or sell or if you do anything like throughout your day transactions from your portfolio, sell or buy, and at the end of the day you will get some clearance messages from CDSL. That means they given you like a clear idea. And next thing is every brokerages who are working with CDSL, they will register with that, and so many banks also registered with CDSL. So what happens means for increase in investors in equity market, CDSL is going to benefit. And if you observe here one thing, see here, Central Depository Service Limited, and which works over 2 decades. So the company dependable and secured depository services. That means demat accounts holding. Like that means Zerodha and ICICI Direct or any brokerages who offering demat accounts, they have registered with this CDSL to monitor these type of hand debits and credits of shares buying, and this is called electronic service. So if you mention like previously it's with the bonds, like they will provide a bond paper that you are holding this much of shares, likewise. So now what happens means this turn into electronic. So with this process, this CDSL in itself also provides demat accounts. So in this way, recently the company crossed 4 crores of investors accounts in CDSL itself. So that's the main thing that CDSL triggered. Where it triggered means when it announced these 4 crores accounts in CDSL itself, here it triggered that Q1 and this Q2, like the growth of the company is extraordinary. That's undervalued present stock. That's why it triggered. And present, see here, 588 depository participants. This I thought that these are ICICI Direct and other things. That CDSL is not only working in India, it is having like MOUs with Sri Lanka, Taiwan, other countries also. And see here like number of securities in demat custody. So this is the number which the company offering, and this is the value of securities in demat custody in CDSL. So friends, this is what they given a clear picture in recent update with BSC on 8th. So see here, this is the date, very important, 8th July 2021. So present 17th July 2021. and the total updates like they another milestone of 4 crores they reached, and active demat account holders they are holding, and they mentioned all their have like who are investors and everything they mentioned in these publications. So friends, in my view, when they mentioned this thing, the investors took it as positive and the values triggered on that day onwards. See here, the date which I kept here, if you see below the 8th July 2021. So on that day, the share is 1000 rupees, 1013 rupees, and there after market maybe that came, the trigger started here, and if you observe here, continuous upward movement, and previously angel broking also announced their results. So at that time also angel broking announced like positives, right? So that is also plus for this, like angel broking also, who are investing in angel broking also, they will get their electronic clearances through SMSs from CDSL only. So in that way CDSL is going to benefit. So when to exit from CDSL? So friends, the era, for every bull market there will be a new investor came into market, and after that he will exit. This is what happens in multiple bull markets. If you observe the Sensex or Nifty or anything, few people's only present in multiple sectors of Nifty or Sensex. So if you see here like Nifty, so this is Nifty 50, and if you observe here, it is at a peak point, and this is the levels which the market is consolidating. But if you see all, that means from the initial stages of Nifty onwards, if you observe here, so the market started, this is 1997 where the markets are flat, and 1992 Harshad Mehta scam, and after that market collapsed. This is where markets collapsed here, if you see observe. Then few changes happened, and next it's moving here. So in this bull market new investors came, and after this bear market few people will exit. Why? Because see here, it reached to again 2005, here 2009, but it reached again 2005. Next thing is again bull market. So in this again investors will come, new investors. So here increases, here decreases. But here due to corona, market crash happened in 2020, and with this again a V recovery happened in only bull markets, not in values at present market capitalizations. So this is what happened. And digitalization, this is the year where digitalization happened, like 2018-19 I think so, when Narendra Modi sir announced about digitalization. uh, from this is the only biggest crash, and next one is only biggest bull run. So what happens means, few people who already know the market moves, they invested when market fall. So after this fall, few people exited after 1 year also with their bookings, like profit bookings. So what happens means, with this interest, they will tell to their friends or family members. So many people entered with recent 6 months time period. So in this 6 months time period, market will be on flat only, but they hope it will recover if COVID will unlock thing is going right. So in that way people are thinking, and they entered into these equity markets to see the another bull run of Indian equity markets. So this is how CDSL benefited in this bull run present. So how much it will go? So friends, no one will going to tell you how much will a stock runs, but they will tell you when to exit with the markets and businesses. So if you are going to see here the company's balance sheet, so this is the balance sheet which the companies on every year. So see here the company's balance sheet. So whenever the company posted negative results, when negative means compared to quarter, it posts negative. In that time, decrease, light decrease from quarter to quarter, then you have to take some precautions on your investment. And another thing is, if their business will affect only number of investors decrease on equity market, that is the two areas where the people who invested in CDSL has to look. So see here like uh, operating revenue 45, 52, 70, 68. So here they increases, it becomes like flat. And March, see here 79 crores. And next thing is what you have to notice is June, right? So what they mentioned, they got like 4 crores of net investors demat accounts active, demat accounts in there, means they expect like it is very high, and the profit also coming June quarter will be very high. So that's why market taken it as positive and moved in CDSL from 1000 to 1400. So friends, this is my view, and my suggestion is like friends who want to enter in CDSL, plan a entry value. In my view, like if consolidation happens next week, maybe enter around like 1200. This is the value like 1325 to 1250, 1270 looks good to enter, like overstretched, right? Within short span of time, it overstretched. Or maybe you can see their results and after take a call about their entry. So this is my view on CDSL, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel.